discuss about list copy. So what it perform? Creates a shallow copy of a list. So basically the copy method returns a shallow copy of list. The copied list points to a different memory location that you need to understand than the original list. So changing one list does not affect the other. If a new list is created from an existing list using the copy method, this is the behavior. Suppose in case if a new list is created from an existing list using the equal to operator, this one using equal to operator, then a new list points to the existing list. That means it will not point to different memory location. Same new list also points to existing list. So if changes in one list will reflect in another list because same points to both the new list and existing list at one location itself. Whereas the copy method is a different memory location that you need to understand. So we'll see parameters: no, return value, none. Return value not none. It is a new list. It's a new list for copy method. Okay, so we'll see copy method now. For example, we'll take previous example like this one. This is a method. Then like new city underscore list. Okay, equal to cities dot copy. So print here will remove print cities and print new cities. We'll see this behavior. And now we'll test it. And you can see Bangalore, New York, Pune, Kolkata. So two different. Okay. Suppose if you wanted to change, for example, we'll change the new list. How we will change? We'll try to add some item to the new list. How can we add? For example, new cities list dot append, then followed by we'll add one new Chennai. So we are adding one item to the new list and then we'll print it. So now we'll check it out. This is after creation of new cities. These are the print statement. Again for new cities we have added one more item. Then we'll have to observe what is the original list and after that new list created. What are the changes? Now execute. See the first one after first original list, new list. Then after appending one extra item to the new list, the original list not changed. The new list got changed. So that means both are from different memory location. So this is what you need to understand. Now suppose we'll use this one instead of copy method. We'll use simply equal to cities and we'll see the observation. Okay, new cities underscore list equal to cities. We are printing again for new cities list append. I am adding Chennai. Then print cities and print new cities list. Here instead of copy method I am using equal. Then we'll test. So when you use equal, both are pointing to the same memory location. That means cities and new cities list always pointing to the same memory location. If you add one item to the new cities, that also will get affect into the cities. So both result will be same. We'll test it. Yeah, see this one original list and equal. Both are giving same result. And after adding Chennai, this is a item which we have added to the new cities list. Then even original list also got affected. Both results are same. So that is the difference between copy and equal. So that's what we have discussed copy method. So in next session we'll discuss about other list methods.